Hey, hello everyone. Let's see how to run JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. In order to run JavaScript in VS Code, there are two prerequisites. First, you need Visual Studio Code in your machine, and then you need Node.js in your machine. Node.js is the runtime environment for JavaScript. So yeah, Node.js is a cross-platform. This is the runtime environment for JavaScript. So you need Visual Studio Code and Node.js in order to run JavaScript. Okay, if you don't know how to install VS Code and Node.js, please see the description of this video, and also I give the links in the cards of this video. Okay, please watch and install this. Once you install both, first let's open Visual Studio Code. After you install, right, the Visual Studio Code might be available in your desktop icon. You can open it, and also the other way is in the search box you can type Visual Studio Code. The best match will be made and you can click it there. Okay, now Visual Studio Code is opened. The next step is we have to open the folder. If you see, like, after Visual Studio Code is open, right, you can see this open folder. I mean, you will be landing in this Explorer area. Okay, there, from there you have to open the folder. So there are multiple ways to open the folder. You can open from here, or and also you can open from the Windows Explorer also. I will show you both the ways. Okay, here if you want to open, click on open folder. Navigate to the folder where you want to create your folder. Click on new folder, and let's say type JS test. Okay, and select folder. Okay, the folder will be created, and here you can create your JavaScript files. Okay, this is one way you can open the folder. Let me show you another way. So we have created a folder, right, JS test folder. Just to open the folder, and inside that folder, right click and click on this open in terminal option. Okay, this is a PowerShell terminal actually. Here type code, just type code dot and click enter. This will also open the same Visual Studio Code. In this, inside this, it will open this folder actually. Okay, yeah, you can see JS test folder is opened here. Yeah, this is how you can open the folder. So once you open the folder, in that folder only you are going to create your JavaScript files. Okay, let me zoom this for you. Okay, and now it is good. Here click on this plus symbol. Okay, this is for new file, and this is for a new folder. We need a new file now actually. So click on this new file, and in that file, let's say first test.js. Okay, JavaScript files must be with the extension of .js. Okay, then only it will identify as it's a JS JavaScript file. Okay, here first, let's say add a command like my first code, and then command, sorry, the code should be console.log, and then yeah, this is my first code. Sorry. Okay, we have written our first line of code. Now you can save this file. You can go to file save, or just press control save, control plus s in your keyboard. Okay, now in order to run this, there are multiple ways you can run this. The first way is you can open terminal and then click on new terminal. Okay, so the terminal is opened. You can see the PowerShell terminal is opened. Here you can run your JavaScript file. Before running, let's see which node version is there, or whether node is available or not. For that, type node hyphen hyphen version. Okay, node 20.10.0 is available. Now we are good, so we can run this file. For that, enter this command node space, and just enter this file name. Okay, it is already inside that folder. You can see it is in desktop JS test already. So you can just enter the command node space first test. That's my file name, first test dot js. Okay, now click enter. Your code is run. Okay, this is my first code. This is one way of running. This is you are running through terminal. Okay, The other way you can run is you can install extension and you can run it like you will get a run button here and you can run it like how you run in other IDE tools. Okay. So you currently we are in the Explorer pane. Navigate to extensions pane. Okay. Here type a code run. The first option will come, right. It's a code runner. Just to install this extension. Okay, once you install this extension itself, you will find this run button here. Okay, close this one. Back to Explorer. I'm opening the file again. Now, if you see, the run button is available here. Okay, just click on run. Now you can see the code is run, but it is not in the terminal. It is in the output now. That extension has given the, I mean, it did the job for you, right? The done exited with 0.11 seconds. Okay. Now, if you want to change your code, yeah, this is my first code. Yes, it is. And save your file. Click run. Right, it is running, and yeah, it is executed, and this is the execution result. Okay, this is how you can run your JavaScript file in Visual Studio Code. It is quite easy, right? Let's explore the other concepts in the upcoming video. Thank you for watching.